Control arms, also known as A-arms or wishbones, are crucial suspension components that connect your vehicle's wheels to the chassis. They manage forces from steering, braking, and road impacts, maintaining wheel alignment. Failing control arms can compromise safety, vehicle performance, and lead to costly repairs. Control arms consist of a steel or aluminum bar with bushings and ball joints. Clunking noises are a key warning sign of control arm issues. These sounds typically occur during turns, over bumps, or when accelerating. They often indicate worn bushings or loose ball joints within the control arm. The noise stems from metal-on-metal contact, which amplifies road noise. Addressing clunking promptly can prevent further damage to your vehicle's suspension. Steering pull occurs when your vehicle drifts to the left or right, particularly at highway speeds. This is a clear sign of misalignment caused by issues with the control arms. The pull happens due to uneven control arm lengths or damaged joints, which disrupt the proper alignment of the wheels. Ignoring steering pull leads to misalignment, which compromises vehicle handling and safety. Regular checks can prevent these issues. Misaligned wheels, due to control arm issues, cause uneven tire wear patterns like feathering or cupping. This reduces tire lifespan and negatively impacts handling. Inspect your tires regularly for signs of uneven wear, as it can indicate underlying suspension problems. Bushings are made of rubber or polyurethane and act as cushions between suspension components, dampening vibrations and absorbing road shocks to provide a smoother ride. When bushings wear out, they lose their ability to cushion, resulting in clunking noises as metal parts make direct contact during movement. Ball joints are pivot points that allow rotational movement between the control arm and the wheel, enabling steering and suspension articulation. If ball joints fail, they can cause steering issues like pulling to one side or instability, creating safety concerns. Degradation of these components typically occurs due to high mileage, corrosion from moisture, or physical impacts such as hitting potholes. Ford F-150 models from 2015 to 2020 experienced clunking noises from worn rear control arm bushings, impacting over 200,000 vehicles. This led to steering pull after about 80,000 miles and accelerated tire wear by 40%, with average repair costs reaching $600. In Toyota Camry models from 2018 to 2023, a fatal accident was linked to a snapped control arm that caused sudden steering loss. The vehicle had shown signs of tire wear and clunking noises for months, highlighting the dangers of ignoring these symptoms. Early Tesla Model Y adopters from 2023 onward noted reduced clunking due to advanced air suspension systems. However, rare alignment issues were addressed through firmware updates in 2025, delivered over the air to prevent potential problems. Experts emphasize clunking is an early warning for suspension problems, urging immediate checks. Steering pull indicates misalignment, potentially costing $200 in alignments if ignored. Suspension problems cause a significant percentage of breakdowns, with clunking reported in many cases. Ignoring clunking noises leads to higher repair costs.